Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when they see our program, for the way they bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with tonight's show. Okay, so Chris Sutton, who is one of the football pundits out there, when they talk say this Real Madrid match wey dem wan play for Champions League between Arsenal and Real Madrid, say that tie is a very winnable tie for Arsenal. Arsenal can win that tie. That's what Chris Sutton is saying. In fact, the Daily Mail carried the story, it's an exclusive story. Chris Sutton said Real Madrid is a very winnable tie for Arsenal. You get, he was saying this on the latest It's All Kicking Off podcast. Now, when you read the entirety of the report, Chris Sutton was telling his co-host in Ian Lindemann, he said, I think Arsenal fans are clutching at straws if they think they can catch Liverpool or they are still in the title race. However, come on the title race, Arsenal should be focusing on Real Madrid, which I think is a very winnable tie for Arsenal. Real Madrid probably go into this game as everyone's favourites. Yes, no be lie. With the array of talents Real Madrid gets at their disposal, but Arsenal could beat them over two legs. I am certain of it. In the same way as I am certain that Arsenal cannot win the league, Liverpool don't carry the league. In fact, then when you look at what Baba dey talk, because you can say Arsenal know the top of the table and everything, but when you look at what he's saying for this Champions League match, I tend to concur with him. I subscribe to his line of thought because now if we say Saka don't come back, completely will get a strong team somewhat to get. So we still stand a chance in knocking Real Madrid. And another thing will give us solace. Like the fact that when you look at the La Liga, look at teams say, okay, I think Madrid will play that tomorrow, or I think today or tomorrow they'll play this to say that. Go watch that match. You go see say Madrid will always give the opposition a chance to come at them. Madrid not the team wey be say they sabi dominate, they sabi control like Bacchanal, like Man City, wey dey na all about control, like Arsenal, they sabi control. Madrid no be controlling team. They go leave you when you play. You get, if you go score, make you score. Na so Madrid. That's why you go see some kind small team wey no dey the top 10 for La Liga. They go play Madrid, they go still first score. Na so Madrid be. So no just see Arsenal go create chance. I no get problem with creating chance. We go create chance, but can we score? What? But just hope say everything will go happen on that day, it will go in our favor. Now, based on I talk am in the morning, say Arteta go do press conference today. So they don't do the press conference. There are some things where Arteta talk where I go like Moko go through some of all those things. Now they when they ask Arteta about Bukayo Saka, whether Saka go be available. Arteta said yes, Bukayo Saka is ready to go. They can say okay, on how careful we have to be to manage Bukayo Saka means, because you know say he just come back after like 3 months or thereabouts. So I think I say well, all the careful things he's already done. So now it's all about putting him in the grass in the right moments, but he's pushing because he really wants it. We have respected the time frame, we have done everything, and we have had to hold him back even. So he's ready to go. They're going to ask us, whether Bukayo Saka starts for the match we will get against Fulham. Arteta also confirmed, say yes. For those who the worry, say whether they fit, they fit. Arteta don't confirm, say yes. Saka starts. I say okay. Now we say don't talk, say Saka starts. How is the impact that Saka is going to give us? Like what do you think? How impactful is Saka is going to be? So they say it's another massive weapon that we have with him. We know the impact that he has had on the team and how important his role and his contributions are to our success. So it's great to have him back. Now, you know, end for there. So I think they give us another troubling breaking news where they say, I know I didn't see this coming. Like it vexed me. I think I say Ricardo Calafiri don't pick up another injury with the national team. Say it's really unfortunate the way it happened, but it could have been much worse. So hopefully it's going to be a matter of weeks. But we have to see how that injury evolves. Julian Timber, no say that one is sick. So Timber now recovers. I think I'm saying that one they're ready to go. He's available. Yet he's felt much better in the last few days. So he's what's it called the investment? This Ricardo Calafiri, how? Like I don't forget the pundits wey complain this whether na yan right abi be that wey say this for the player started to do mistake for this guy because the guy come dey collect injury up and down. Yes, that's why many Arsenal fans dey talk say the guy na injury prone. But the thing is, before we bought him from Bologna, he wasn't having injuries like this. So I don't really understand why he can't come here. I mean, is it because of the fast pace? Okay, look at this injury now. Nobody saying that for EPL in career. Now national, international duty. The last time we stretch in leg, like what's going on? So I don't really understand. Because I think myself the para on how things they go. All right, let's go on to other stories. Now, on the appointment of Andrea Berta as Arsenal sporting director, I think it's a big addition to the club, a big addition to the team, a team that is already formed with a lot of great people. Richard Garlick is leading it, as well as James King, and then Jason Aito. Again, I think I mentioned everybody, and say Josh Kroenke also they involved in the process, and everybody they excited to have Andrea Berta as our sporting director. Now, because they ask Ateta on how Berta can help us in the transfer window, they say straight away the words that come out are always winning, improving, demanding, and he's a person very honest, very straightforward, with a very clear vision of what he wants to do. He was so willing to join us, which is very, very positive thing, as well as because he has had many possibilities and he chose to come to us. Yes, let's see when for sure. He said no, go join Arsenal. Now it's about, this is the most important area. Now it's about giving him the support and the understanding of the situation and context right away, and for him to start to do what he has already done for many years at the highest level, which has been very, very impressive. When I say this one, I'm happy. They want to give him the support. What is support? Support na money. To do what he has been doing for Atletico Madrid for us, now their money coming. So because all this happiness, all this excitement, so they get, say Andrea Berta they come. If they don't give them money, about all the excitement are null and void, cancel, error. So they must make sure they place money for your hand. If they mention targets, see the man don't come now. The okay is not just top of our list. Not talk say now the okay is me fine. So the money that will make this Gyökeres a possibility, make the money available for him, let him buy the Gyökeres. So that's what it be. So men are just no fear too much. Now, Darren Bent for Top Sports come to talk say, see, now we say Andrea Berta don't come in. Make sure say he sign Saka to a new deal, a long deal, to avoid what they happen with Real Madrid. Real Madrid they go clubs, go to carry their best player. So tie down Bukayo Saka to a lengthy deal so that people like Real Madrid cannot see him. Look at what is going on. Real Madrid carry David Alaba from Bayern, free agents. They carry Rudiger from Chelsea, free agents. See Mbappe from PSG, free agents. See Trent Alexander-Arnold now, free agents. These are best players of their club, top quality players. Real Madrid $0, £0, 0. Let them decide those players. Real Madrid know what they are doing. So you see Saliba now, they tell one hide the look and say, if you see the end now, 2 years remain. If this is your pass now, so we need to be careful and ensure we sign people to lengthy contracts. So now Andrea Berta, a job description with that, is going to do it. So I don't really fear. Now they call it discourse for Talk Sports on waiting Victor Gyökeres they bring to Arsenal. So and the Brazil was having a discussion with some people for the studio. I just wish when I saw that discussion, I wish I was there because I just vexed, like I just vexed. Now, and the Brazil can educate some people there say Gyökeres is everything you want in a striker. Arsenal have been told what Gyökeres offers over Benjamin Sesko and how he will fit into the new look team. Now, Victor Gyökeres is a complete striker who will guarantee Arsenal goals in abundance. Something fellow targets Benjamin Sesko cannot offer. I agree. That's the view of European football experts and the Brazil, who believes the 26-year-old ticks every box Ateta is looking for as he plans for a summer rebuild. Look, 92 games, 85 goals, 26 assists, 6 hat-tricks. Come on, and you tell me this guy does not, he has not proved enough to you to not say he's a goal poacher, he's a goal machine. The wine, okay, if person will do this kind of thing, no proof to you. Person score hat trick against Man City. If you do all this, no proof to you, but what do you want to prove to you? They go frack more for you. What do you want make on do? When you go know say this one here did there. They say the fact is he's got everything he wants in the center forward. He's quick, he's strong, he's big, he's not easily intimidated, he can create as well as score. Brasel added, Gyökeres has everything you could possibly need, and lots of people I know that watch the championship pretty closely were surprised that he took Sporting. The fact that this report, I know if you read everything with Brasel talk. Like some kind of people for that talk sports to you, where they argue with them, everybody keep quiet, when they look at. What's it going to pay me to say this thing when they talk is in the public domain. What am I doing our research? When they talk, say this guy will play for Watford, this guy, this striker, Troy Deeney was saying the guy never show him enough to prove saying he can cut it in the EPL. The same thing with Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank. Well, I don't get anything to say to them. I know they try to discourage us more by the guy. You get. Now, Marco Silva for the match they go play tomorrow. Arsenal versus Fulham. So Marco Silva when they talk say Arsenal get advantage for that match because Arsenal don't tell where they play. You get, you don't pay. You get. So as it be now, say the match because since March 16, now Arsenal play last. Look at what is today's date, 31. So Arsenal don't over rest, they don't train, they don't go get anything like fatigue. Whereas them just play like 48 hours ago for the FA Cup. So Arsenal get edge. No matter how you want to look at it, that's what he's saying. But well, that one no mean it's going to be a London derby. Arsenal versus Fulham, and you know with derbies. First leg now, one will play with this people, so no be match we say we'll go down that race them or go to look say maybe na ship pack at them. No, we need to follow them serious for the match. Yeah. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 6464 2234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite Stevens Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, number first, Chris Sutton, who is one of the football pundits, out there, they talk say this Real Madrid match, now winnable match for Arsenal. So Arsenal feel knock Real Madrid, we shock everybody, yes. And myself, I get that belief, yes. With Saka back, with everybody back, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So my dear Salvas, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. All right, guys. Bye bye.